Hello everyone, welcome ulit to Star PH TV. So another set of cards na nakuha natin. This one I believe from fire sale, from auction, and from box break. So guys, kung anong laman nito, let's check it out after this intro. Guys, medyo in-unwrap na natin offline, except for this one medyo natuwa ako kasi this is the first time actually that I received a pack na naka styro. So these are the cards that we got from box break. This one yung sa fire sale, or I mean auction, and I believe this one is yung sa fire sale. But before that guys, yun, shoutout muna tayo. So big shoutout kay Jude Christian Maaba and sa mga kasama natin dyan sa Southeast Box Break PH. So yun, may nitay akong break with them ngayon. Also a big shoutout kay Joel Gonzalez and kay Ryan Ray. So if you want to check them out, check out their Facebook page. So sa kanila ko nakuha itong mga cards na to. So again, big shoutout Jude Christian Maaba, kay bro Joel Gonzalez, and kay bro Ryan Ray. So yun, unahin ko na to guys kasi medyo natuwa ako. So tingnan ko tong naka-styro natin na cards. And the rest, yun nga, maayos naman ang pagkaka-unwrap. So medyo natagalan lang din ako kasi medyo maraming tape yung ibang cards. Like this one, medyo may tape pa rin. So go through na lang natin. I think kasama sa JNT yata yung packaging na to na naka-styro, no? But nevertheless, I am happy sa mga gantong pagkakata kasi we all know how important for us or how valuable for us these cards are. So yun, may kasama pa siyang freebie. Double tape. So I hope you're satisfied in konting ASMR and konting experience dito sa ating pag-unwrap itong naka-styro. And I am really happy for those guys na nag-e-effort talaga mag-pack or mag-wrap ng just to keep us safe, because they know how important this hobby or these cards are for us na mga hobbyists. So let's check out muna yung mga freebies niya. Actually isang card lang yung kinuha natin sa kanya. So let's go with the freebies muna, or I mean dalawa pala. So we got this sino ba to, si Brent Barry. So 1996 slam dunk champion Brent Barry. So tumalon din siya from the free throw line. We got this naman, Derek Fisher, medyo really old card na. Ilang may tama sa corner. We got this from the Magic, si Rodney McRae. And yung last card, we got Larry Nance Sr. So yun, medyo natuwa ako. Larry Nance Sr. from Phoenix Suns. Siya yung dad ng isa sa PC natin, si Larry Nance Jr. Actually, Larry Nance Jr. Ginaya niya tong slam dunk ni Larry Nance Sr. Larry Nance Sr. I think is the first slam dunk champion ng NBA, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. So if you know the right answer, if I'm correct guys, or if you know who's the first slam dunk champion, please comment sa baba. So we got two cards. Ang first card natin na this one is the Larry Nance autograph. This 2021 certified. Yan, Larry Nance Jr. auto. So sticker auto lang siya. And the autograph is guaranteed by Panini America. So yun, so medyo nagko-collect din tayo ng mga memorabilia and autographs ni Larry Nance Jr. And of course, hindi mawala yung ating Kobe Bryant na card. So this one is Stadium Club Kobe Bryant. Natawala ko, medyo blue kasi ito and shiny. A Stadium Club is from 1999. So this one is from 1999. Hindi pa nag-champion ng anto. I think that year ang champion is yung San Antonio Spurs. Their first championship actually is year 2000. Ayan. So thanks for the freebies. So let's check out naman this next set of cards. So ito yung nakuha natin sa auction. Online auction. So another set of freebies. We got this KCP, Demary Carroll, Malik Monk, Eric Gordon, John Wall, and Anthony Simmons. Yun. So again, thanks for the freebies. Let's put it here. First card na nakuha natin, and this one is Kobe Bryant Elevation. This was from year 2008. Ayan. So if this is 2008, I think, I'm not sure during that time kung these cards were taken from 2007-2008 season. If this is so, this is actually the MVP year of Kobe Bryant. Ayan, so MVP year. And yung next card natin, guys, yun, I was actually hoping na habol ko tong video during the enshrinement of this guy. So this si Pau Gasol was enshrined class of 2023 sa Basketball Hall of Fame just recently. Kasama niya sila Tony Parker, Dwayne Wade, and si Coach Popovich and the rest of the other enshrined sa Hall of Fame. So yun, so we got this as said during the auction. This is numbered 170 to 400. Lakers game material by Pau Gasol, or actually Pau Gasol when he was in Lakers during this year. This was from 2009-2010, also their champion year. But the actual material, yan guys, you have received a trading card with Pau Gasol game used basketball memorabilia. The memorabilia has been certified to us, having been used by Pau Gasol as a member of the Grizzlies team in an official NBA game. So we hope you enjoy this piece of basketball history as we continue to keep you as close as you can get. So this is a game used material. Kinuha nga lang siya sa Grizzlies uniform. So as we all know, Pau Gasol was drafted by the Memphis Grizzlies and was traded to LA February 2008 and giving them 2 championship, and as they say, the rest is history. So usog muna natin ang konti dito, guys. Ayan. And next up, we will be opening yung packs natin from Southeast Box Break. So yung previous ni Southeast Box Break, some stickers and some sticker cards from, I believe this is 2022 Panini stickers, and meron din siyang, not sure if this also a sticker. So again, thank you sa kasama natin dyan si Jude Christian Maaba sa Southeast Box Break. And kagandahan sa Southeast Box Breaks yan, hindi nawawala yung kanyang mga pre-packs. This one is if you're familiar sa sa Mask Rider Black, guys. So this is actually a series in Japan na sumikat dito sa Pilipinas noong 80s and 90s, si Mask Rider Black. Alam ko kasabayan pa kasi ito nung Bioman Shider, and isa sa mga paborito natin. And hindi natin pina-open tong pack na nakuha natin, so we will be opening it on this video. Yan, so sabay-sabay tayong ma-surprise. Actually hindi ako kasi ako naka-join dun sa break nito, guys, kaya hindi ko nakita yung actual card. So this is actually the first time na titignan natin, na makikita din natin kung ano yung laman nitong pack na to, itong mga Mask Rider Black pack. Oops, hindi ko nga lang siya na-check, no? This, not sure if this is from Japan or China. I think this is a Chinese Chinese card. So pero license lang yung rights para dun sa Mask Rider Black characters. So yun, all rights reserved by Toei. Let's check. So this one I think is a monster. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano expect natin dito, ano yung mga magandang cards and ano yung mga inserts, no? And this one is a monster, another monster. This one I'm not sure if it's the front or back, but I think it's a special card, an SSR card of Genbu Jakun. Genbu Jakun. Yun. And some other inserts or some other base cards. So yun yung pinaka hit natin guys, si Genbu Jakun na SSR. So with that break, nakuha natin guys, I believe this is Donruss Hobby, nakuha natin yung Miami. And medyo hindi yata tayo pinalad dun sa break na yon. We got this Tyler Hero card, Max Truss, si Caleb Martin, we got Jimmy Butler, we got a rookie of Nikola Jovic, and si Victor Oladipo, and yung last card si Bam Adebayo. So medyo off night itong break na to. Nakuha lang natin puro base card, hindi tayo nakakuha ng insert. We also have Kyle Lowry pa pala. So yun, base cards and one insert. And this is the last set of cards natin guys. Yun, so meron tayong Naruto pack din na kinuha dun, or kasama dun sa I believe these are 2 packs because we got 2 teams and hindi pa rin siya bukas. So start muna natin. Let's open these packs muna. So mga panang Naruto dyan. So sino yung mga ano ba yung hits dito? I believe also this is Chinese card game from NetCent. Yan, so medyo dumadami uso ngayon yung Chinese cards, and tell you frankly, maganda rin ang quality nila. So medyo nagko-collect din tayo ng Dragon Ball and some Marvel cards. Hindi rin natin alam kung yung mga insert dito, and honestly hindi ko rin alam yung mga characters ng One Piece pala to, hindi pala Naruto, One Piece. So hindi ko rin kabisado yung mga character ng One Piece. So eto, check natin isa-isa. So guys, kung alam niyo kung sino itong mga to, yun, please share na lang sa comment below. And I think this is the insert. Tingnan muna natin yung last card. This is the front of the card, and this is the back, or baligtad pala ako. This is actually the back of the card, and this one is shiny. Hindi ko rin nakita tong kabila. So yun, mali pala tayo ng bukas kanina guys, sorry. So ito SSR, and I was actually looking at the back, kaya pala medyo wala tayong maintindihan with all their powers and everything. So ito yung mga characters, although hindi pa rin nakasulat dito yung English translation ng mga characters. Ayan, so sorry guys, medyo nagkamali tayo. As said, first time nating mag-open up nitong mga cards na to. So ito yung back, ito yung front, and also with Naruto tuloy, One Piece yun. So this is actually the back, and ito yung front niya. We got an SR na Sonji, and we got a Kobe na R. I think pinapanood to ni Kel or no anak ko sa Netflix yata. Alam ko meron ito sa Netflix, so most probably siya na yung magkikip nitong mga cards na to. So we got Nepal Tart BB, and this one I'm not sure if this is the back or the front, but let's see. Ayun, we got a CRWA101-CR12, si One Piece. And this character, sino nga ba to? Si Zoro yata. So we got this one. I think a CR is a hit, no, sa mga Chinese card game. So Ayun, medyo hit yata to, but less shiny siya compared dun sa SR, but knowing sa mga nakuha natin kasi before sa Dragon Ball, CR is a high or a short print. So check din natin later. And for the next pack, dalawa yung nakuha natin na team I said earlier. So dalawa yung nakuha natin na packs. And I think this time di na tayo magkakamali, which is the front or the back. So yan, so again, back pa rin siya. May dalawang yun. So I think short print nga yung isa kasi I think most of these cards are nakatalikod except lang dun sa isa. So isa-isayin na natin. We got Moji, an Arnie Moji, an Arnie sino to? Owaruma. We got an Arnie Rebecca and an SR ni Usopp. So yun. So again, di ako masyadong familiar with One Piece pero lagi ko siyang naririnig, and my son pinanood siya sa Netflix. I'm not sure kung ito yung sinasabi nila na magkakaroon ng ng parang movie or ipapalabas. So yun. So yung mga nakuha natin guys na One Piece na cards, and yung kanina yung sa Mask Rider Black. And this time naman, let's go to our cards. Yung mga nakuha natin cards. Ang inopen up nung time na yun is Elite. And we got from Memphis, we got Danny Green. We got the Desmond Bain base card. We got Dylan Brooks. We got Jaren Jackson Jr. And we got Brandon Clark. So hindi pa tayo nakakuha ng Jamoran. And the next set of cards we got from Atlanta, we got Trae Young, we got Justin Holiday, we got DeJounte Murray, and Bogdan Bogdanovic. So yung mga nakuha nating base cards and yung hits natin, we got these two top loaded cards. Yan. So we got this acetate or clarity na Trae Young. Yan. And the next card we got this letter R from Spellbound. So yun. So binubuo natin guys yung Albert, but we already have yung Trae Young na letter T. Hopefully soon dumating yung kinuha natin para makompleto na natin yung Albert guys na kasi ang kulang na lang natin dun sa binubuo natin is letter A. So yan, hopefully dumating na siya, and I can showcase to you guys yung Spellbound na Albert. So yun guys, these are the cards na nakuha natin from auction, from fire sale, and from box break. And of course may mga nakasamang anime cards na One Piece and yung Mask Rider Black. So hindi ko alam yung tawag sa Japanese nun, but sa atin alam ko sa Mika siya nung 90s. So yan, I hope nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating pag-unwrap guys, sa ating mga favorite players. We're collecting Larry Nance Jr., Kobe Bryant, and of course first time natin nagkaroon ng memorabilia ni Pau Gasol, yung auto ni Larry Nance Jr. So again, I hope guys nag-enjoy kayo. If nag-enjoy kayo, please do click like and share na din sa mga kaibigan natin na nagko-collect ng trading cards. And with that, I would like to give a big shout out sa ating mga members na si Hampas Lupang Burgis, si BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, si Mami Madselen, si Mami Belsato, Taste and Sip by Tesha, and si John RT Vlog. And also big shout out kay Daddy O, HLJ family or HLJ hybrid. So of course yung sa ating GC sa HLJ family and sa Sato family. And sa mga kasama natin sa YouTube, YT Friends, YT Family, and YT Team Sunday. So big shout out sa inyo. Yung mga kasama nating mukbangers, ASM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors and trading card collectors. Again, big shoutout din sa inyo. And of course, last but not the least, big shoutout sa ating mga naka-join or nakuhaan ng cards dito. Sa Box Break, sa Southeast Box Break PH, big shoutout sa kasama natin dyan, si Bro Jude, Christian Maaba for the auction and for the fire sale, kay Boss Joel Gonzalez and kay Boss Ryan Ray. So check out nyo yung kanilang Facebook page para makita nyo yung mga iba pang cards na ino-offer nila. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa pag-join. Kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe to our channel, Tower PH TV, where we talk about different types of collections and investments. And if you are into gaming, dun naman sa ating Tower PH Gaming, where you can experience the excitement. Also, if you're interested in cards, check out our Tower PH Collections Shopee page and Tower PH Collections Facebook page. So yun, actually, we're selling some of the cards na hindi kasama ng ating collection at a very reasonable price. So, mura na, may discount pa. Ayan, so guys, maraming salamat ulit sa pag-join sa atin. Hanggang sa susunod nating video. Again, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV.